why I'm so bullish on Bitcoin now and into the future, that it will be the #1 asset on this earth. And guess what? It already is. So, welcome back to the Crypto Bliss Show. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly why I believe Bitcoin is the #1 asset in the world, the #1 asset that has ever existed, and the #1 asset that will ever exist, even greater than gold. Okay. And now we all know gold is one of the most precious and valuable assets on this planet. Okay. We will talk about all of this in a little moment. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel, that you stay here with me right to the very end. It's not going to be a very long video for you guys at all. This is going to be 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure you watch the entire video. You do not want to miss out on 1 second of this. And if you guys want to go ahead and trade with me, make sure to hit my Bitflex link, my Bybit link down below in the comments, where you guys can come ahead and trade with me, and make sure that you guys are in the loop, because we are just at the beginning of the next bull cycle, which I have said to you on previous numerous videos that this is going to be the best bull cycle in history for Bitcoin. Make sure to stay tuned, guys. Thanks for being here with me today. First of all, let's jump into the Bitcoin chart, and then I will get to every last other thing for you guys. First of all, this is the Gaussian channel, the green shaded Bollinger Band looking thing. Okay, that is the most incredible moment. Now, through this crazy pump from 2015 right up to 2018, guys, look where the RSI was. The RSI actually stayed up there the entire time until we had that crash over there, which brought us down and reset us. This would have been an incredible accumulation point. That's all. Dollar cost averaging into your positions, selling out here, and then buying back in down here. Now then, there was your next buying opportunity. Boom, over there, sell a little bit. Okay, then buy some more. Guess what? Look how it did it the whole way. I'm not going to go the whole way because it's a mission and I want to keep the video short. But basically, you can see we made higher lows over here, and we're still making higher lows over here currently. And as you can see, the RSI pulled back then and made this crazy elastic pump right up to the top, guys. Now, I just want to say to you that once we were over there, that was your signal to get out of the market. Yes, we could have done something like that and had a crazy rally. But like I said to you guys, we're going to have the next bull cycle is going to look like 2013 bull cycle, which was insane. Now, this has been your accumulation moment, okay? And ever since we got down here, this was the bottom of the RSI. We got told to buy Bitcoin hardcore up here. Now, this makes the biggest, beautiful bullish case here, because we are creating higher lows on the median band of the your Gaussian channel. And then you've had this buying opportunity right here in the Gaussian channel. Now, we sat for a little bit. We got told to buy, and then it sat. Now we've broken out, guys. We're definitely going to be pumping. And I just want to say something to you, that every single time in history, ever since we were on this Gaussian channel, this is actually the deepest pullback that we've had into this Gaussian channel in Bitcoin's history. Okay. Now, this is acting as though it is an elastic band ready to, like a bow and arrow elastic band, ready to pull and fire. Okay, we are about to pump, and every single time, as you can see, we have remained far extended away from the top end even of the Gaussian channel, and we have been riding it like a wave. Okay, the only time that we had these pullbacks into the top of the Gaussian channel was where we had bear market trends, where we had this COVID black swan event here. Otherwise, Bitcoin probably would have kept on rallying all the way up. Now, guys, that shows me for a bullish case, because not only have we broken out of this level here, which is the same as this level here, it looks like that little candle there. We might sit sideways for a little bit to retest this breakout zone. But guys, once we have started launch pad from there, we are going to be way above this Gaussian channel. And once that Gaussian channel starts opening up, guys, you have no idea. Not only that, okay, we have the stochastic that's sitting here. It could end up doing something like that at the end of the day, like I have previously shown you guys. Now, the last few things that I actually want to go show you, let me rather just get my pen here for you guys, just to make this a whole lot easier. But every single time, and let me just pull my chart to the side so you guys can see nicely. Okay, every single time we had the blue line on this TSI cross over, look at this. This was confirmation. Even though we were up there, that was confirmation of bull cycle trend there, guys. The same thing happened here. Boom. Guess what? Bull cycle trend. Look at that. Boom. Bull cycle trend. We are looking as though we are about to do the same crossover down here, literally right now as I'm speaking, which is right here. Guys, if we end up doing this, we are going to make a crazy rally of a minimum of 600 to 700%. And if we were to do that from where we are today, check this out. I can't even get you guys up to that level right now. 600 to 700%. There you go. So close enough to my price target of 285,000 to 300,000 Bitcoin. 680% would give us $267,000 Bitcoin, guys. That's a 10x from where we are today. I'm just saying to you guys, if you don't believe that a first-class, world-class asset like Bitcoin can get us there, well then let me show you some more charts so that you guys can see this. This is coin companies marketcap.com. Basically, this is global ranking by countries, etc. And this is all assets, including public companies, precious metals, cryptocurrencies, and ETFs. Now, gold is, of course, ranked number 1 at $13.3 trillion. Okay. Apple, number 2 at 2.6 trillion. So the second place is still 6x below the number 1 asset. Okay. Then we have Microsoft. Then we have the Saudi oil company. Then we have Google and Amazon, both owned by the same person. They should fit kind of in the same basket, really, which would essentially be worth more than that. But they are separate companies nonetheless. Silver, we are about to explode past silver. Then we have Nvidia at 1 trillion. Meta at 762 billion. Berkshire at 723 billion. Guys, we are literally like $60 billion away from Bitcoin moving into craziness past Berkshire Hathaway, coming into the top 10 global assets of the world. Right now, we are about to do that. And I'm telling you guys, with the next move up on Bitcoin, within the next, by the end of this year, 100%, guys, I see us surpassing, without a doubt, at least coming up to underneath silver. I'm just talking about Bitcoin. Okay, so that is currently sitting at $670 billion, guys. We are in price value the highest asset value out of everything on this list, and probably more than all of it combined. Okay, in terms of its price value, not in terms of its market cap. But guys, out of all of these assets, look at these assets where we are. Look at all of this. Bitcoin is bigger than Tesla, then United Health, then Visa, then Walmart, then Exxon, then JP Morgan Chase. It's bigger than the S&P 500 ETF Trust. It's bigger than Tencent, Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, bigger than MasterCard, Samsung, Nestle, Oracle, Chevron, Merck, Costco, Coca-Cola, Toyota. These are gigantic companies, guys. Do you even realize what I'm telling you here in this video? Okay, it's bigger than Shell. It's 3 times bigger than Shell, which, okay, look, it's 3 times bigger than Ethereum, and we'll have a look at that in a moment. It's bigger than Alibaba. It's bigger than Bank of America. It is literally 3 times bigger, 3.5 times bigger than the entire Bank of America. Okay, it's bigger than AstraZeneca, Novartis, Salesforce, Accenture, Netflix, Pfizer, Agri, Comcast, T-Mobile, AMD, bigger than Nike, bigger than China Construction Company. I think you guys are starting to get the point, okay? Look at this. It's bigger than Wells Fargo. It's bigger than Invesco. It's bigger than all of the American banks. It's bigger than any bank in the world, okay? You don't see any banks. The biggest companies in the world are Apple, Microsoft, Saudi Aramco, Google, Amazon, Nvidia, Meta, and Berkshire. Tesla as well, I would include in that. You guys are mistaken, because Bitcoin is competing beyond Tesla already. And I'm telling you, by the end of the year, guys, we will be sitting here just underneath silver. That's my personal view. I would like to know what you guys think down in the comments below. But guys, soon Bitcoin will surpass Apple and come into the second place top asset in the world. Okay. And not very much longer after that will it undoubtedly surpass gold. Okay. As an asset. And the reason why Peter Schiff continues to say that gold is the best asset. This is why, because it holds the most market cap value in the entire world. But guys, Bitcoin is coming fast, extremely fast. And we are about 1/14 of the way there. Okay, make no mistake, in the next bull cycle, we will undoubtedly be at least 2 to 3x the value of Apple. Okay, in second place, which means we'll be 50% the value of gold, which brings me to the next point I need to share with you before I go any further is that precious metals are all the yellows, public companies are the blues, ETFs are the reds, and cryptocurrency are the greens. Okay, all starting from all the way down here. You can see, and this is not even the most recent. This is from January, guys. We have already come up all the way up to here to number 11th place, and all of this has kind of shifted around a little bit, but the same thing right now. So I don't know what this Kwaichao Mute is, but on this list here, Kwaichao Mute is not even anywhere near up there. It's actually all the way down here. So as you can see, and I would trust this a little bit more because this has been around for a very long time. And as you can see, there are a total of $85 trillion of assets in the world. Make no mistake that these companies, Apple has invested, Microsoft has invested in crypto, Google is invested in crypto, Amazon is invested in crypto, Nvidia is invested in crypto, so is Meta. Berkshire Hathaway is the only one that hasn't invested in crypto. Tesla's invested in crypto, guys. Visa is, holy shit. Do you see what I'm saying to you guys? Now, that brings me to this. This comes from also 8 Infinite market cap. Bitcoin versus gold. Bitcoin is only 5% of the gold market cap right now. Okay, we will see it chow up a huge percent of just very, very soon. Bitcoin is already 52% of silver. Okay, it is already 102% of Tesla. Okay, it is already coming up to Berkshire Hathaway. It's going to gobble Berkshire Hathaway up in the next little push up, no doubt, guys. And Ethereum is 2/3 less than what Bitcoin, 32% of Bitcoin, and Tesla versus Apple's 25% of Apple, guys. I see Tesla surpassing Apple. I see Bitcoin holding its place against Ethereum, and Bitcoin chowing Berkshire, chowing silver, and eventually chowing gold one day in the future. And I would say by at least between 2030 and 2033 will Bitcoin flip gold. Undoubtedly so, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video today. Thank you for being here with me. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're watching this and have not yet subscribed. Smash a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'll truly appreciate it. If you want to trade with me, hit my Bybit link and my Bitflix link down in the comments below so that you guys can come ahead and make massive, massive gains with me, guys. You can 10x your money just in Bitcoin. Hope you've enjoyed this. We'll see you on the next one. Blessed souls.